Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add food property or food props to your DTI avatar. So in the new DTI winter update there are lots of sweet treats props that you can add to your avatar. And if you want to find it, you can just head into the free play server and go outside and find this cafe, the Diva, in here, right outside the runway. And you can just go inside. Then you'll see the list of cookies in here or desserts. You can just click on open. And as you guys can see, there are lots of DTI holiday menu in here. You can just choose which one to add as a property to your avatar, to your outfit. So let's say I'm going to just go with this eggnog drink. Click on confirm, and just like that your avatar will holding it. And to drop or to change it with another one, you can just click on this cross button and open the cafe again. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.